Hi, this video is on how to get these Beachy crimped waves. And I think they're super cute, and they take 5 minutes in the morning before school. So keep watching. Hey, so I didn't already do this to my hair today, but it's wavy because it was in a French braid all day at school. So no, I didn't already do this to my hair. It just happens to be kind of wavy because that's what happened. So we're gonna start by taking heat protectant and putting it in our hair. I'm going to section this off. It's really weird. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Just going to get some more in here. I really like to make sure my hair is protected, because my hair is my baby. Okay, so once that's all in there, we can start. Okay, so I split it in half down the back, and then I start from the back. And with this thing, since it's so big, like, this thing's huge. You see how wide that is? Like, yeah, wide. It you can take huge sections, and I don't know, I didn't mean wide like this. I mean like long like this, but yeah, you can take like huge sections. It doesn't matter. So I take like 3 to 4 inch sections, and I don't even care about how thick they are. Like, they're pretty thick, and that's what I love about this, because that's why you can get it done super quick, because it just it gets so much hair in. So yeah, I just start from like really close down to the end of my hair. Like, really, this makes it look better, at least for me. That's what I like. If you're pretty much only doing the ends, and I only hold on for 5 seconds, or I count to 5, whatever. So yeah, you see that? That literally took like 5 seconds. Take another section. Can you see that? I'm sorry if you can't see this. Okay, bottom layer is done. It's been like 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'm timing it, so. Okay. I'm going to take this back in a clip. I don't want this to get in the rest of my hair. Okay. Take top section down. I'm going to part it. Now do this section. I pretty much do 2 sections for each section. Does that make sense? Like, I split each section into 2. And I don't run my hands through it or anything until the end. Oh, I forgot to have it. I don't have it on the highest heat setting. There's 30 heat settings, and I have it on 20. Because I don't want it to be like too incredibly wavy, I guess. Alright, I can see here. I take this section because since it's parted over on the side, since this section has a lot more hair than this one does, I split this one in two. See, it already looks wavy because I had it braided. I pretty much do it from my chin down. So yeah, so you kind of have to have long hair to do it the way I do it. I mean, I don't like short hair in general, but I just don't think this looks good on short hair. I'm gonna clip this back. Now, last section. And then for my bangs, if you don't have bangs, it doesn't matter, but I have bangs that kind of grew out a little bit, but whatever. I just kind of do like the really, really, really bottom of them. So I just got that. Okay. Okay, well my iPod just died, and that's what was taking my time. But I think it was like 3 minutes. Plus I was talking to you guys. So it was like super quick to do this. And look at that. This is really pretty. And it's gonna be, it looks like really like crimped, because it is. But throughout the day it will really fall and just look, it looks like natural waves. You can see the back. I don't know if you can see it. I guess you can. Okay. So yeah, it just looks really pretty. And I do this on like a regular basis at school because it takes me 5 minutes in the morning. So yeah, thanks for watching.